Welcome back to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. If you're a doctor and you're looking for an affordable professional website to advertise your practice, you're definitely in the right place today, so keep watching this video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a simple website for your doctor practice. If you haven't heard of Marty Sites before, we pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to update website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days, no credit card details needed, so make sure you click on the link below this video to start the free trial. Once you join the platform, first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your markets. Now we have hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Currently have over 900. So I'm going to head to the top and search for my market, doctor. There it is over there. Let's go ahead and select that template. Great, let's start Marty starts a few basic details about our business so it can generate a simple website for us. Dr. Rochelle Ray, my company name, or my doctor name, I like the ring set, and city and state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world your business is practicing from, you can enjoy the Marty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's click on continue, and Marty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for me with the information I've just put in. And there you have it. It's literally done so in a couple of seconds. Let's take a closer look at what it's come up with together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality and professional. They're completely free for you to use as well. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of your practice, maybe the facilities you offer or the services you offer at your practice. You want to make 1 or 2 amendments to this content, make it a little bit more personalized to your business, to your background, and how you got started in the industry. Today, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to do that, how to make some minor amendments. You don't need to know any coding or be a web professional in any kind of way. You certainly don't need to know coding or hire anyone to help you. You can literally do this all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, and I want to pop in my email address over here. I want to make sure that that is visible on my website. So I'm going to go ahead and tick the box so my patients can easily reach out to me. Phone number, click to call, and address, physical location. When your website is live, your patients can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps. If you're active on social media profiles, you can put in your social media handles over here. Icons for your social media profiles will be visible on the top as well as at the bottom of your website. If you have a logo for your practice, go ahead and upload it under Upload Logo. Once it's been uploaded, you can click on that pencil, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames. Otherwise, click on Save here on the right is where you can make the logo bigger and smaller. Now with Marty Sites, we pre-selected the colors for you. If you'd like to change them, click on that paint bucket bottom right hand corner. Choose a color that best suits your practice and fits all your branding. So many color palettes to choose from. Now for each section you want to make more personalized, click on the button Update section directly underneath it. Head on over to Update Image. This is where you can browse your device to upload your own images. Search through that photo library, hundreds of high quality images, or connect your Instagram accounts if you have one and automatically pull in all those images. And Update Action is the call to action buttons. We can change the text and where they link to. If you take maybe online bookings through a third party, you can link to another website, put the URL in here for the bookings. Otherwise, you could also upload a PDF file with more information on your practice and your various rates that you and services you offer. In the last section, we have a lead generation form where customers or patients can easily reach out to you, keep track of all your leads in your Marty dashboard. If you have a custom domain, go ahead and click that yellow button at the bottom to connect your domain. If you don't have a custom domain, you really want one to make your practice look even more professional, trustworthy, stand out from all your competitors, your website, go ahead and click that button as well. You can also purchase a custom domain via the Marty Sites platform. Really hope that tutorial was helpful in building a website on the Marty Sites platform for your doctor practice. Really wishing you and your business, Marty, success.